Hello everyone, I am Nikita, the animation addict. Today I will be drawing some cartoons and then coloring them in a unique way through my limited set of Copic markers. Now let's get started. Now I am using some random photo references and drawing some random characters out of it. I'm just playing with the characters and the expressions and having fun with it. Here I am using a Pentel brush pen, which is my favorite brush pen for inking and sketching. Links for all the pens and materials I am using will always be down in the description box, so you can buy them from Amazon and just start sketching and playing with them. Just enjoying lines and inking this character. Ooh. Yes, inking. Eyebrows. The thing which I love about this pen is that it has got a very nice brush tip. I can vary the pressure on it and create wonderful lines of different strokes with just one pen. Fast, fast. Let's complete the inking very fast and then I will be coloring this with my Copic markers. Done, done, done. No, one more. No, I'm not doing this. Now I have picked this marker and I'm just placing the color shapes on this. I am experimenting and playing with the pen. There are no rules in this and I am just having fun and doing as I like. If you want to know the exact number of the pen, I have mentioned it down in the description box. Feel free to check it out. Just laying all the color shapes. The challenge here with this sketch is that I only have 4 to 5 markers, and if I want to make this sketch look good, I have to experiment with my little set of 4 to 5 markers. Now let's see what color choices I make and how I finish this character. Ooh, now I have picked out green color for areas of highlights and shadows. Yes, a single color, green color for highlight and both shadows. Now I have picked out the grey marker and I am just desaturating the green color using the grey marker on the shadow shapes and leaving the highlights green and shiny. Just experimenting, nothing special here. Blue color hair. What do you think about this blue color hair? Let me know in the comment section below. Just having fun. Some doodles and some characters are just made for fun. Nothing else. You should always experiment and let your mind do whatever it wants with your expensive colors and supplies. If you enjoyed watching and sketching with me in this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Tap the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. This is Nikita, the Animation Addict. Bye bye!